Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today section is how to draw simple duct, okay, in mechanical HVAC duct. So first of all, we need from the new tab. First of all, we need one template for mechanical. Okay, so this is Imperial, and I'm choosing one metric template for the mechanical default metric template. So I'll open that one and I click OK. So this is a simple video, so you can get this one, and you will go here for system tab, and from the drop panel you can get the duct. Otherwise you can type dt for the duct. So if you click duct, then you can get the size. You can arrange the size. Okay, so if you need a 600 width and height around 500 or 550, something like that. Depends upon your calculation, you can do it. And from the property you can get the which type of duct, oval shape or rectangle shape, and round shape. Okay, so I'm choosing for rectangle one. And if you can need a supply air or a return air, you can choose from here. So first of all, I am using supply, and I'm just making like this. Okay, and I running through like this. Okay, so this is one duct. This is supply, and another one. I'm choosing this one, 1200 and 600 for the height, and I'm choosing exhaust air. Okay, so it depends upon your calculation. You can make this size. I'm just to draw how we can make the duct simply. Okay, so this is for exhaust air, and another one same thing I can choose, and I'm using this one for return. Okay, so this is return duct. So this is the simple way we can draw the duct as per your routing. So you can make as per your routing wherever you need. You can create the duct. Okay, so if you go to the 3D view, um, selection box, so you can see the ducts are created here. And if even you can rotate like this, and you can see the width and everything is there. And if you change this one to fine, and we'll just share, you can see the 3D view clearly. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and just subscribe my channel. If you like my video, please comment on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe it. It's related to AutoCAD and Revit. Thank you for watching. Thanks.